Hi guys, welcome to our channel. It's me Eve and this is my mum Emmy.
Hi.
And today our video is about sewing machines. So you might have one of these machines. We've got quite a few machines with us right now. You might have one of them, as I just said, or you might be planning to get one. So make sure you watch the whole video so you can see the different sewing machines we have. So this is the first one we have.
It's a handheld sewing machine. Comes with a bobbin. It's got a needle. Goes up and down. Only does one stitch. It's for repairing. I guess whenever you're going on holidays and you think you might need to repair something or you need to do a quick fix at home, you'd probably get a machine like that. Other than that, I can't see a reason for getting a machine. It's not something I would recommend you get for thinking I'm going to be making my own clothes. Show how it works, Eve. Just pressing it up and down. Yeah. Before we continue, what I want to say is that the machines that we're showing you today has nothing to do with the brand. It's all about the type of machine. So you don't have to have the brands we're using. It's just the type of machine, either top loading or front loading machine. The next one.
So the next one that we have is this one. This one's designed for kids, actually, for children. This one's designed for. As you can see, it's very light. It's very light because when they're going to be holding it, when they're going to be moving it, it needs to be quite light. It has quite a small foot pedal as well with it.
Very lightweight. They can easily press it down whenever they're sewing. It's not a machine that I would recommend for anyone older than 8. And the reason I'm saying that is because I'm a sewing teacher. I teach children from the age of 8. And when they come up with a sewing machine like this, I straight away say to the parents, nice machine, but they will have to change it, because if they're going to be really into sewing and making their own clothes, it's not going to last. It often can't handle the different type of fabrics that they want to sew.
It's too thick, then it won't work.
And it's what would you say, a cute machine?
Yeah, a cute machine. A cute machine. You can usually get them in lots of different colours. That's why the children tend to pick them, because they're really bright, colourful ones and little cute ones. But they're not very good for.
And we're not saying that it's a bad machine. It's just something I wouldn't recommend. Great little children, fine. Sewing children's clothes, not children's clothes, dolls' clothes, sewing cushions. Definitely not for adults. The next sewing machine.
This is the one we use the most.
A bit heavier.
Yeah.
It is a top loading machine, as Eve is showing you. The bobbin goes in at the top. It's got different dials, and showing you the different stitches, the different stitch lengths that you can do using this machine. It comes with an extension table, accessory case, box, where you can put the different sewing feet that come with the machine. Not going into details about that. We'll show you whenever we're actually showing you how to use the sewing machine. This machine, I would say, is light to medium weight sewing machine. It's heavy enough to sit on the table and be very sturdy, not moving whenever you're sewing, and light enough for you to carry, moving it from room to room if needed, or taking it to your sewing lessons. The next machine, Eve?
This is this one is a digital screen on it, so when you turn it on, you can see when you press the top one here, it changes the stitch in one like that.
Yeah, you can see the stitches changing by simply pressing a button on here. It's got an automatic threader. Eve really likes this sewing machine. It's very easy to use. Again, a beginner sewing machine. Has got top loading. The bobbin goes in at the top.
It's also got, this one's quite good as well, because you don't have to use a pedal, because it's got a stop and start button, if you see where we're sewing.
Yeah.
And then it goes with the speed. You can get faster and faster.
So press start, press the button here to start, press the button again to stop. Easy to use machine. heavy. Well, not that heavy actually. It is like the other one, light enough for you to carry, to take it wherever you need to go, to your sewing lessons, moving it to another room, stays on the table, doesn't move around whenever you're sewing. Next sewing machine, a bit heavier, not a bit heavier, solid metal. It is a vintage machine. New, again, stitch options, different dials. This one is a front loader. You've heard us talking about the top loader. The top loader is where the bobbin goes in at the top. The front loader is where the bobbin goes in at the front. Has an extension table that comes with it. Also has a accessory box. Just putting it back. An accessory box with the different accessories, bobbins, different feet that come with the machine. And again, not one we're gonna go into details, talk about that today. The next machine,
also quite a heavy one,
also a heavy machine. I think this is a beautiful machine. A vintage machine. Is beautiful, isn't it? Grey color, greyish. Would you say greyish? Yeah. Very interesting one. Not one you come across very often. So I was really excited and happy whenever I found this sewing machine on FreeCycle. Someone was offering it and I thought, oh, this is great. The reason why I think it's so great, it comes with cams. You can't see the different stitches that it does. So you'll think, ooh, this machine is not doing a lot, but it comes with cams. The cams go in there.
It does your different stitch for you.
As Eve is showing you, this is the box with cams. Loads and loads of different stitches that it does. Has a nice accessory box as well. There. Different feet, different needles that it uses, little brush for cleaning, some machine oil. But again, we're not going to go into details of the machine. We'll be talking about that in our next video. Not this machine, but one of the machines that we've discussed, showing you how to use the machine. So get your machine ready.
So I hope you enjoyed our video. Make sure you look at our next one. So bye.
Thank you for watching. Bye.